What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today I will be showing you how to edit videos and put like intros in front of your video if you have a YouTube channel. Or yeah, so what you want to do, you want to go into search, type out video editor. It's just one that is on your computer, you don't have to download anything. So I've done all these ones, but this one, what you're going to do, you're going to click, I'll go back. Yeah, so you're gonna click new project and you're gonna type in, I'll just type it intro. I'll just type it like bike. And then you want to go into add from this PC or wherever you put it, and you want to go say this is my intro. You're gonna click on that. I'm gonna bring it down to here. Then I'm gonna add another one, and then let's say just captures. I'll just do, say, I'm just going to try to find a video that I can capture. This is on it. And I'll say adding files. You drag this down to here, and then what you're going to do, bring it forward to here. It will start with the intro, and then it will go after that. After my intro is done, it'll go straight to the video, which is really good. See? So yeah, that's basically the video for today, but I'll see you next time. Bye guys.